think you need to stop eating cones.
Do you see this?
No.
Well, I have an
Did you get it on your pants?
No, I got it on my other shirt.
Uh-huh.
And my pants.
Okay.
It looks like an exclamation mark.
Yeah? Yeah? Are you gonna finish that?
I will.
Are you gonna make a mess?
I will. Ready?
Bring it.
Do you want to see this?
I don't know, I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Bob, push her.
Ready? What if I do it? Do you think I should?
If you're gonna do it, you would already have done it.
I need to do it.
Oh, it's on. You're gonna get so embarrassed. It's gonna be absolutely hilarious and epic and...
Ready for this awesome?
I'm scared.
I'm gonna stick my big finger.
I'm scared. I got it more in my nose. You got it up your nose.
You like that?
I love it.